Just tracking habits are not enough to make or break a habit. You need a habit maker. Let us begin with the help section where you understand how to use Habit Maker. Now, here you can see your habits in different views. Their names are pretty self-explanatory. Next is all your habits. Add and update your habits here. Name, first A, and status is required for adding. Update habit formed or failure date and total days will be calculated automatically. Filter to find out old, current, and upcoming habit details. Track your habits daily until you make or break it. In the Tracking Habits view, select all your habits that you are currently working on. Select entry date and put remarks whenever needed for future reference. In short, add habit, track daily until you form or fail, and view all of them for tracking progress. Get this habit maker along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.